Hi beautifuls, it's your Faye back with another wig review, and this wig is from Julia Hair. She comes with a wig cap. I have her on, lashes, earrings, and a comb, and also the unit, of course. Cute. I love when I get color units, especially when it's like a texture, because it's like different, you know. So this is a loose wave unit, if I'm not mistaken, and she is colored. I've never had one of these before. She's also a lace front. Cute summer unit, because one, this texture, summertime fine babe. Lace looks like it's medium brown. Hopefully it melts in with my skin, because I usually do HD lace, but that's cool. But get into the color. She's still a little bit wet. I'm excited to see what she's like. So what you want to do is, y'all miss me doing like talking vids? I know. We're gonna cut the lace. This lace actually looked like it might blend in with my skin tone pretty good, even though it doesn't look like it's HD lace. I could be wrong though. This might be medium brown, but it's cool or whatever. I'm gonna cut the lace off camera and I'll be back. After the lace was cut, I'm just gonna install her how I install all my other wigs. Nothing different. To make sure this hairline is melted, sis, I'm going to put a scarf on the hairline because I want to make sure she's dry, especially because she's this loose wave texture. I do plan on wetting the hair again or putting some setting foam in it. So you want to make sure the front of the wig is laid, because if not, and you put some product on it or water, it's going to slip back. Now it's time for the fun part, and that is the baby hairs. You want to part out as much or as little as you like. I kind of did an in-between baby hair kind of look. It wasn't super natural, but it also wasn't really dramatic. I feel like the baby hair style that I did do went perfect with this wig, just because textured wigs, I think, are bomb with baby hairs. Want my baby hairs to not be so crunchy and, you know, still have a little bit of texture. I like slicking them down with this Lotta Body what is this, setting foam. If you want to keep your loose wave or curly wigs looking, get like having that wet look, you definitely want to use setting foam, because if you use water and it dries up, it's basically not going to look the same. So if you want that wet look, I would definitely say use setting foam. If not, you can always use water and some conditioner just to keep the hair tamed. Either or, it just depends on what look you're going for. I then decided to add a little scarf just to jazz the style up a little bit. And as you can see, my baby hairs fit perfectly for this style. And the final look came out so cute. This is such a cute everyday summer wig, from the texture to the color. Very cute. Thank you so much to Julia Hair for giving me this wig to review. And if you guys wanted to pick it up, everything on her is going to be in the description box down below. Bye.